Ito sandal, be.
Egg.
Be. Regalo to sa kong sarili, be. Mamalit ang sandal.
Egg.
Hi, good morning. President Charles, please subscribe po. From Philippines. I eat cucumber. Pero tayo, may husband. Okay.
Morning.
He cooked the canton with egg. And fresh cucumber with and tomato.
Gusto mo yan?
And lemon. You put lemon.